Let's do factorization today. So in simple words, I can tell you changing 2x in bracket plus 3 to 2x plus 6. This is expansion. So when you have expression without bracket, it is expansion. And from changing this expansion into the brackets by taking out, like you can see, 2x plus 6 to 2 in bracket x plus 6. So this is factorization. So when you see in brackets the product with number or another bracket, that is factorization. So in other words, we can say the opposite of expansion is called factorization. So they are opposite to each other, factorization and expansion. So let's first see the steps to factorize an expression. So the first thing you need to do, find HCF of all terms. So if you have two terms together or three, find the HCF. That means a number, a letter, or it may be both a number and letter, which is common in all of them. Then write this factor outside the bracket. Then divide each term by this factor to find out what goes inside the bracket. So let's see some examples here. Like first one I can take here, factorize 6x plus 8. So you can see the first step we need to find out the HCF. That means what is common. So we will look for the numbers first. We have 6 here and we have 8 here. So both are divisible by 2. So 2 is the common in both. This is number, we can take it out. So only x you see with the first term. With the second term there is no variable, no x, y, z, nothing. So only 2 is HCF here. Then in bracket, this is our first step. Write this factor outside the bracket. So outside the bracket I have written 2 here. Then divide each term by this factor to find what goes inside the bracket. So we got this number. So we will divide this by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X remains as it is here. If there is plus sign, so plus as it is, then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the factors of 6x plus 8 is 2 in bracket 3x plus 4. So let's see another example. We have here 18 minus 12d. So again these two numbers are divisible by 2. So we can take 2 outside. So this is HCF, and divide these two numbers by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. D remain as it is. There was minus sign here, so we just put minus sign there. So this is our expression after factorization. So let's try another example, number 3. So this is 9a plus 6b plus 12. So variable may be in any form, x, y, z, a, B, C. So now we have 3 terms here, first term, second and third. So now we need to look a number which is common in all. So as we can see, all this 9, 6 and 12, they are factors of 3. We can divide by 3. 3 is HCF. Then in bracket, now with this 3 we are going to divide all of them. 9 divided by 3 is 3. A goes with it. Plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. B will come here. Plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this is the factorization of this expression with 3 terms. So we can take another example. Let's say we have here 2xy plus 3yz. So now if we see 2 and 3, there is nothing common in that, so that means no number can be common here. So let's see, look upon the variables. So x is not there in the second term, y is here, y is also there in the next term. So we can take out y here, then divide this 2x y. So this y will go, you will left with only 2x plus, then y goes from here, so we are left with 3 and z, so 3z. So you can see in the outside the bracket, this HCF may be a number, it may be also a variable. I hope you understood. We will do other examples in next video.